Google has gone in and done it. It's created an exciting tablet not made by Apple. The Pixel Slate is Google's first homegrown Chrome OS device since last year's Pixelbook. Because it's using Chrome OS, it has the potential to be really good as a cheap laptop. And because Chrome OS supports Android, it has the potential to be a great tablet too. It might sound a bit boring, but software is super important to make a great touch device. So the Pixel Slate's ability to recognize what mode it's in and automatically adjust the user's interface for a touch or mouse-based interaction is kind of a big deal. The Pixel Slate also supports Linux applications, which means it could be a useful and attractive tool for programmers, sysadmins, and grunt coders everywhere. Those guys are stuck putting Linux on a Windows or Apple computer after the fact. While the software might be the thing that makes us most excited, the Pixel Slate looks like it could be some good hardware too. It will have a nice looking 3000 by 2000 pixel display with a pixel density of 293 ppi. There's a fingerprint sensor built into the power button. There's also a $200 keyboard case with a very cool hinge. It works with sliding magnets built into the Pixel Slate that let you adjust the angle to your liking. The Pixel Slate itself will start at $600 for a tablet with an 8th gen Intel Celeron processor inside, 4 GB of RAM, and a 32 GB SSD. That's not exactly powerful, but theoretically should be fine for most people. For people who need more, Google is offering Pixel Slates with up to 16 GB of RAM, 256 GB of SSDs, and an 8th gen Core i7 CPU. Fully tricked out, it'll be one of the most expensive Chrome OS devices yet, at a whopping $1,600. But with the big changes to Chrome OS, this looks like a Chrome OS device that you can actually get your work done on. Which means the price is high, but not outrageous. And that's all we know until the Pixelbook officially launches later this year.